This video guide is about removing nsablema.top, which is a very malicious pop-up that tries to force you into clicking on the Allow button. It says that you need to click on Allow to continue your browsing. Such pop-ups may attack Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and other popular browsers. However, they are extremely dangerous when you click on Allow button. So this is a trick that leads to a lot of problems. If you mistakenly click on the Allow button, this very moment your browser will be immediately hijacked and infected. You will start getting redirected to all kinds of dangerous pages in the internet. Obviously, clicking on Allow is a serious mistake that leads to a lot of troubles. Now, what you need to do is to go to the menu, click on Settings, then choose Site Settings and Notifications. You must examine the Allow area. So if you see some suspicious websites here in the list, in the Allow area, be sure to get rid of them, to remove them completely. Also, I strongly advise that you additionally double-check your Mac with Combo Cleaner, the reliable antivirus for Mac. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com, combocleaner.com. So download the software, then install the application, wait until it updates the antivirus database, and click on Start Combo Scan. After that, the free scanning, the free analysis of your Mac computer will begin. So this is the end of scanning of our Mac computer by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program performs scanning and analysis of your Mac computer. You may click on the antivirus area and then click on the link Review Results to see the exact threats and their exact location. And then you may click on this special icon that says Show in Finder. This will show you the location of each specific threads in Finder, and you may move this thread manually to the trash. What's good about Combo Cleaner, even the trial mode of it, is that it gives you the exact location and helps you remove each thread one at a time. Or, of course, you may get rid of all threads altogether automatically, but with the premium version only.